Girl, don't do it. It's not worth it. I'm not gonna do it, girl. I was just thinking about it. I'm not gonna do it. I did it.
I hope y'all can hear me. Let's do a quick little unboxing while I'm doing a whole bunch of laundry. So, y'all know what that means right there, right? Woo! This is Sarita's fault. They show is I'm blaming her. What color is that? Try not to show my address. What color that is? Yes, ma'am. Let's pop her open. Oh, yes. Yes, baby. Spending these coins. So, we don't need the return label because, baby, this ain't going back. To my little LV. It's a little receipt and return. Thank you. All right, now. So, this is what I am so excited for this. Okay. All right. I'm going to be quiet. Slide this off because I like putting them back on there. All right, let's see what I got. Got the little sticker. They started doing that now. Okay, all right. The pink is pinking. Oh my god. Okay, look at the other side. The pink is pinking. OMG. I love it. This is what the ends look like. Oh my god. Of course I need my essay to, do the rappy, or I can go on YouTube and figure it out. But this is the vibe. Ooh. With this wrapped correctly on here? Yes. Y'all see it. I done got back up in here in my bed, right? And went back on the Louis Vuitton website. And now I got a wish list. Lord have mercy, Jesus. Let's take a look at the wish list. So I done scooted over. This is the wish list. Now, I have been wanting a Louis Vuitton cap, like baseball style cap, for a little minute now. I had my eye on one, but never bought it. This one with the pink script. Oh, might need it. I might have to go get that. I might have to go and get that because I'm going to be away for a while. Even though when I order from Louis Vuitton, it comes within like 1 to 3 days. I don't really trust it because I'm going away and it would just be my luck. So yeah, I think I'm gonna have to go in store and pick that up. Yes, ma'am. So she's going to be purchasing that. I'm gonna be purchasing that. Now the scarf, I want one, but it's not. And I feel like the headband is a teeny bit childish, just a teeny bit childish. But hey, look, you only live once, and I think it's still cute. The other hat, it's giving me like a safari type vibe, but that gold LV, it just chef's kiss on that part. As far as the sneakers go, there's a pair of sneakers that I actually wanted, but then they changed the way it looked, and I was like, why would you do that? And so I was just like, And I've been looking at some on the men's side that Pharrell did, and I was just like, they're a little expensive. Okay, they're a little expensive, but I was like, those are nice. And then these, I feel like it's like a little slip on and kick around. I know. To say they're a kick around and they're that price, all right, I don't know who I am, but yeah, I was really thinking about those sneakers. I had to try them on though, because they seem like not a lot of material, like a summer sneaker, you know. So I don't know. I'm gonna have to try those on and see what it gives. But yeah, ugh. I just had to go on TikTok. See, what happened was I went on TikTok late at night because I couldn't sleep, and I saw Sarita here on YouTube. I think her name is Mrs. B Lux Life, I think. And I'll put it here. And so she showed like a snippet of her in the LV store and looking at different things, and she showed the Bandeau, and I was like, now wait a minute, because I've been wanting a Bandeau for my Speedy and my other purses, and I'm like, looking at them online, don't like that. Going in the store, I'm like, yeah, it's just not for me. And then I saw that on her TikTok, and I was just like, add to cart, pay, And then the next day, Louis Vuitton was like, your order has been shipped. I was like, yes, thank you. But now I done went back on the damn website. Now, why would I do that? Now, why would I go back on the website and just be like, well, if I type in scripts, let's see what else they got, you know. And I was just like, okay, well, you know, wish list item checked off because I got the Bandeau. But now I done added like 5 other things to my wish list. Like, girl, come on. Like, check off 1, add 5 more. It don't make no damn sense. But I'm pretty sure one of you are going to see this video and be like, now, why the hell did I click on that video? Now you got a wish list. It's you know, this. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, as always. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.